You know what? Let's hop right into what's going to be
Oh,
underway,
let's.
because we got tons to talk about here. Today is the day to get things ready. If you don't have that snow shovel or that ice melt or the plan for tomorrow, just in case, this is the time to take care of everything. Beautiful Bethlehem still covered in snow, which is really sort of an icy snow. You're going to get more snow on top of that icy snow. In fact, we're all going to be looking at snow unless you're right on the shore of far southern Delaware. Let's take a look at the timing as to what's going to happen. Today we're going to be cloudy out there. Someone could see a light flurry or a snow shower into the Poconos or Lehigh Valley. There's a little wave passing by. That's not the one we're looking at for tomorrow. Slightly warmer, so poking our head just above the freezing mark for today. Now for tomorrow, between 5 and 8 in the morning, the snow starts to spread across the area. That could affect your morning commute because even a ½ inch of snow on the roads can make things messy, so please know that. We are going to be then watching that snow in earnest from about 5 or 9 in the morning all the way through the evening commute. I think the heaviest time will be 9 to 3, but the evening commute right now does look like it could feature some widespread snow as well. And then things are going to start to taper off after about 4 or 5 o'clock, and we'll just see some lighter snow falling. And then the super cold frigid air, colder than we saw yesterday, I'll just call it frigid air, just like a refrigerator, is going to be coming in for your nighttime and your day on Saturday. So right now we do have a winter weather advisory in effect. This is until tomorrow night at 10 o'clock. Everybody's included with the exception of Cape May and far southern Delaware, and that's because we're expecting some mixing. That could even reach as far north as Atlantic City and inland into parts of Cumberland and Atlantic County, so know that. Everybody else, straight snow, and we're not expecting icing this time. Light snow from that little wave that's passing by to our north, that doesn't really affect the area. Not a big deal. Poconos picking up a flurry or a light snow shower. The same for all of you in Redding. What we're watching is further out to the west. So right now we're inheriting some clouds and these little snow showers from this wave, but these are the two pieces of energy we're watching. One coming out of the northern plains, another one in the Ohio Valley, and we have yet another one coming off of the southeastern coast. So watch what happens. The stronger piece of energy coming out of the plains merges with another piece of energy in the Ohio Valley. Meanwhile, we have this area of low pressure developing off the southeastern U.S. They all come together over our area. If these are close enough, we'll get much heavier snow, but right now we're not expecting them to be that close. Nonetheless, we'll get plenty of moisture and enhancement from that coastal low. Now, by the time this is all done tomorrow evening, they will merge, head out to sea, and we get the dangerous cold air that's going to be scooting in here. So let's walk you through a little bit tighter. Look at this. Here we are, 10:30 tonight. We could start with some light rain showers and mixing down the shore. That may even extend into parts of South Jersey, but by 9 o'clock, look at these shades of purple. I-95 very affected. We have steadier snow coming down. Could be heavy snow in the afternoon, so that midday, especially South Jersey, the I-95 corridor, and then as it starts to taper off at 7 and exit the area, everybody sees some light snow. So right now we're looking at 3 to 4 inches across much of the area, local pockets of 4 to 6, and down the shore, closer to the shore and the southern half of Delaware, perhaps only 1 to 3 with some rain mixing in. So both commutes are going to include snow. You'll have to leave extra time. School closures, also possibly virtual school tomorrow. Air and rail delays are going to be imminent. And we have a 15-to-1 ratio of snow out there. What does that mean? It would be 15 inches of snow to 1 inch of rain. Well, we're not going to get that much, so we're basically looking at about a 1/4 inch of rain. The problem is all of this is going to fall on that icy snow. So now you're going to walk out, you're going to step on the fluffy snow, and you're going to slide because underneath it is an ice base. So please be aware of that. 30 out there for tomorrow, looking at that snow moving in. 24 on Saturday, the coldest day yet. Oof. And then a slow climb. Look at this, Jim. 40s.
Oh, tropical.
49. We may be pushing
it's like
50.
The Caribbean.
Yes,
wow.
and with rain.
Thank you, Tammie. Appreciate it.